In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image components in Glide. By the end, you'll confidently place images in your Glide project, choose the best upload method, and publish your changes so your users can see them right away. First, head over to Glide in your browser and sign into your account. A stable internet connection helps here because images can be larger files. Once you're in, open the project you want to edit. Make sure you're in the Layout or Design area where you can see your app screens and components. On the left sidebar, click the plus icon labeled Add Component. This opens a panel of available components. Scroll through the list and select Image. As soon as you add it, an image placeholder appears on your canvas, and the settings for this component show up on the right side of the screen. Now, look at the right-hand sidebar. Click on the image component there to make sure it's selected, then use the drop-down to choose how you want to upload your image. Glide gives you two main options: Upload from URL or Upload Image. Choose Upload from URL if your image is hosted online and you have a direct link to the file. This is great for images that might update at the source, or if you're keeping files in a content delivery service. Pick Upload Image if the file is on your computer and you want to store it directly with your app. Go ahead and upload your image using the method you chose. If you're pasting a URL, make sure it's a direct link to an image file, like a .jpg or .png, and that it's publicly accessible. If you're uploading a file, consider using optimized images to keep your app snappy. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the image appear instantly in your layout. With the image in place, take a moment to edit the style. In the right panel, you can adjust things like size, shape, corners, and how the image fits within its container. Try settings like Fill or Fit, depending on whether you want to crop or preserve the full image. You can also align the image and fine-tune spacing so it blends nicely with your other components. Small tweaks here make a big difference in your app's polish. When you're happy with how it looks, go to the top right and click Publish. This pushes your changes live so your users can see the updated design. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.